Hey everyone, are you wondering what panels you should cover to protect against rock chips and scratches with Clear Bra or PPF? I'm going to show you right now. The most popular package we offer is called the full front, and the full front includes a full hood, the full fenders, the full front bumper, and the forward facing parts of the mirror. Our second most popular package is called the track package. It includes everything that the full front includes, but it adds rocker panels, some side skirts, a partial pillar, and a partial roof line. And that's really popular for sports cars, Corvettes, and people that want just a little bit of added protection in areas they tend to get a lot of rock chips like the back of these rocker panels. Despite the additional cost, our third most popular package is actually the full body car, which covers just about every painted surface with PPF, protecting your entire investment. A lot of times dealerships and other places will recommend partial kits, and you've seen these before. They typically have a line along the fender and a partial piece of the hood, and we don't recommend that because it will leave a hard line where the film transitions to the paint, which will collect dirt and over time will leave a permanent line in your vehicle's paint.